Good morning students, welcome back. Okay, so in our previous lecture number 2 we have discussed the exercise 2.1 till question number 5. Okay, so now we'll move on to the remaining questions of the exercises. Let us begin with first of all question number 6 is homework. Okay, now we will, because it is similar to the question number 5. In 5 we have done one question of arranging the fractions into the ascending order, and in the 6th question similarly we have to arrange the two questions in the descending order. Alright, so we will move on to the next question with this. So question number 6, question number 7 and question number 8, these are homework. Then we can move on to the next question, that is question number 9. Okay, why I am giving these questions in the homework? Because these questions are similar. Question number 7 and 8 are similar to question number 9, and question number 6 is similar to question number 5. Okay, so you can do it in the homework part. Now let us read out the question number 9. What it is saying? It is saying that Gopi purchased 5 right 1/6 liters of milk from one shop and 2 right 1/3 liters of milk from the other shop. Okay, then he gave 4 right 1/2 liters of milk to a poor friend. Then how much milk is left with Gopi? This we have to show here. So it's very easy. See, there is a concept of solving the word problems. Okay, firstly we have to read out the question, what the question is saying, as we have read out. Okay, then what I will do, first of all I'll write down what is given in the question. It is given that Gopi purchased 5 right 1/6 5 right 1/6 liters of milk from one shop, and that is 2 right 1/3 liters of milk from another shop. Okay, then what we will write down? We will write down milk given to poor friend. Okay, how much milk he gave? He gave 4 right 1/2 liters of milk. That is 4 right 1/2 liters of milk. Then what we will write down the next heading? That is equal to find. To find means how much milk is left. How much milk is left with Gopi. We have to find out. Okay, so what we'll do, firstly, now we'll write down the heading, solution. See, as I have already told you in the beginning of this question, that whenever we used to solve the word problem, first priority we have to give to the question that is given. What is given in the question, that we will write down. Then next is to find. What has to be finded out, or what we have to calculate. Okay, why we are doing this? We are doing this so that we can easily understand the question, कि question हमसे पूछ क्या रहा है, question में दिया क्या है और हमें निकालना क्या है. If you are doing this, if you will arrange the question in such a manner, it will be much easy for you to solve the question very easily. Okay, so now what is saying? He is saying that Gopi purchased 5 right 1/6 liters of milk from one shop and 2 right 1/3 liters of milk from the other shop. So first of all we will add both the milk. So here we can write down total milk purchased is equal to, that is equal to 5 right 1 by 6 plus 2 right 1 by 3. When we will solve this, what we will get? 6 1 is 6 5 to 30 plus 1, that's equal to 31 by 6 plus 2 3 is 6 plus 1 7 upon 3. Now LCM of 3 and 6 will be 6 itself. 6 ones are 6, 1 will be multiplied outside, so 31 into 1 plus 3 2s are 6, 2 multiplied by 7. This will become 31 ones are 31 plus 7 2s are 14 upon 6. This implies that the total milk is 31 plus 1, 45 by 6. Okay, 45 by 6. If you will convert this into the mixed fraction, this will be further written as, we are solving 45 divided by 6. 6 sevens are 42. That is 3 remainders. So remainder 3 upside and in the denominator 6, and the answer is the round figure, that is equal to 7 right 3 by 6 liters of milk is the total milk. Okay, now what we have to do, next he was also saying that some of the milk is given to his poor friend, that is 4 right 1 by 2 liters. So now what we will do, we will subtract this milk which he has to give to his friend from this total milk. Now what we can say, milk left with Gopi after giving 4 right 1 by 2 liters of milk to his friend. What we will do? That is equal to 7 right 3 by 6 minus 4 right 1 by 2. This we will subtract. What we will get? 7 6 are 42 plus 3. 45 by 6 minus 4 to the 8 plus 1. 9 by 2. LCM again, it will be 6. Got it? 6 ones are 6. This will be 45 into 1 minus 2 3s are 6. 6. 2 3 are 6. 3 came. So 3 will be multiplied in the numerator. What it will become? It will become 45 minus 27 by 6. When we will calculate this, what we will get? 45 minus 27. Let us subtract here. This will be 8 1. That means 18 by 6. When we will simplify this, 6 ones are 6 threes are. That means 3 liters of milk is left with Gopi. This is our answer. See, word problems used to be little bit lengthy, but you don't have to worry about it. If you are having the complete concept clear, you can solve the question easily. You don't have to bother that why the question is going so much lengthy, इतना लंबा क्यों खिंच रहा है, कहीं मैं गलत तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Don't worry about it. If you are very aware about your clarity in your topic, you can easily do it. Okay, so see what we will do, what we have done. Let us recall and revise it once again in this question. Firstly, what we have written, given like Gopi purchased 5 right 1 by 6 liters and 2 right 1 by 3 liters of the milk from the two shops. Then what he did, milk given to his poor friend, that is 4 right 1 by 2 liters of the milk Then how much milk is left with him? This we have to find. Then what we have done? Total milk, first of all, whatever the milk he has purchased from both the shops, we have added. While adding both the milks, what we got? We got that 7 right 3/6 liters of the milk was total milk purchased by him. Then what we have done? Milk left with Gopi after giving 4 right 1/2 liters of milk to his friend. So let us see what we have done. From the total milk, 7 right 3/6 minus 4 right 1/2 liters of the milk, we have subtracted. We got 45/6 minus 9/2. 45, 1 is 45 minus 3 into 9, 27. We got 45 minus 27/6, that is equal to 18/6. By cancellation from up and down, we got 3 liters in the round figure. That means exactly 3 liters of the milk is left with Gopi. So this is our question number 9. Okay. Now we will move on to the next part after rubbing this. Okay students, so now we will move on to the question number 10. That is what the question is saying. Here it is saying that Mohan finished a painting work in 8/15 hours, and one of the next person, that is Ram finished the same painting in 3/5 hours. Now we need to show that which person has finished the work in less time or which person has finished the painting in the more time. So what we will do, first of all, as we used to do in the word problems, first of all we will write down what is given. Okay, so here first of all what we will write down, time taken by Mohan is equal to, that is equal to 8/15 hours. Okay, similarly time taken by Ram is equal to 3/5 hours. Now to find, what we need to find? We need to find who finished the work in less time. Okay, work means painting. Okay, now again we will put the heading solution. Okay, so what we can see, as we have done in the previous questions, what we have done that when we have done the question number 5, there were so many fractions and we need to arrange them in the ascending order. So what we have done is that we just have taken the LCM of the denominators. So same thing we will do here in this question also. Here first of all LCM of 15 and 5 is equal to 15. LCM of this denominator and this denominator. Okay, that is equal to 15. Now we will take both the fractions separately and we will try to make the denominator same. So we have to get 15 in the denominator. So we will multiply this 8/15 by 1 so that it will remain 8/15 our first equation. Similarly, we will do it for the second one, that is for Gram's fraction, 3/5. 3/5. Okay, now we will multiply this 3/5 by 3 so that we can get in the denominator 15. So now the second fraction is 9/15. Clearly from both the fractions, what we can see from both the equations, we will write down here, comparing one and second equations. What we can see here, 9/15 is greater than 8/15. Therefore, whose fraction is bigger? 9 upon 15. That is the fraction of Ram. We can say that Ram has taken more time to finish the painting. Okay. And question is how much more time the person has taken to complete the painting by the other one. So here we will compare by doing the LCM 9 by 15 and 8 by 15. So what we will do? We will subtract the smaller fraction from the bigger fraction. So 9 upon 15 minus 8 upon 15. LCM will be 15 and this will be same. 15 was the 15, 1 multiplied by 1 minus 15 was the 15, 1 multiplied by 1. What we have got? 9 was the 9 minus 8 upon 15, which is equal to 1 by 15 R. Okay, 1 by 15 R is the time taken more by Ram. Okay, so once again we will go through the question from the beginning. Question was saying that there is a painting work. Okay, so in that painting work, two of the boys were doing the paintings. Okay, so Mohan has taken the work as to complete it by 8 upon 15 hours. Similarly, the other person, Ram, he has taken the time 3 by 5 hours. So we need to find, or we need to show that who finish the work in less time. Okay. So what we are doing? We have taken the LCM because we need to make the denominator same as the like fraction. So LCM of 15 and 5, that is equal to 15. Then by doing the LCM, we make the fractions in the like fraction. So 8 upon 15 is the first fraction, 9 upon 15 is the second fraction. Now comparing equation 1 and 2, what we got? 9 upon 15 is greater than 8 upon 15. Therefore, this is the sign of therefore. Ram has taken more time to finish the painting. Okay, now the question was also saying that by how much time more the person has taken from the other one. So 9 upon 15, which is the bigger fraction, minus 8 upon 15. What we got? 9 minus 8 upon 15, that is equal to 1 by 15. R is the time taken more by Ram. Okay, so this completes our exercise 2.1. Okay, in the next class or in the next lecture, we'll continue the exercise 2.2, which will be carrying the multiplication and the division of the fractions. Okay, so whatever the questions I have given for the homework, try to do them, okay, in the rough copy and just match your answers from the book. And if you're getting the answers correct, then you will do in the pair book. Till then, take care. Have a great day.